uh, uh. As I clear my feet, chakras connect them to the earth, space, star, Gaia grid. Now I'm grounded, now was lost, but now I'm found. So profound. So they hate now. They some lovers undercover, but they don't really late hoe. Ain't being no hoe, I'm no beat, no suck, no dick for free. If I suck your dick, that's 100 stacks and only for 3 meanest. Now they want me to finish like a dentist. I ain't with no fish sticks. While they fried up, I'm greased up on my coconut oil, cause they had to feast us. We the guys of this table. All females are the gods and y'all the ables. Enable us, I gave the her, no giving backs. When I take it backs like Mac Jacks, no Moxonites, they wanna dap on this ass. You can't touch it, too legit, I'm a MC Hammer shit. Now they run it like Russell. I'm always meditating, getting grounded, shielded from your knowledge. Won't you show me homage? I'm the master, I'm Mike Mufasa. Got my voodoo up, never had no voodoo truck. Egyptian pagan in my daddy. They be getting mad that I ain't never had no family. Mama murdered it never had my daddy. After she was murdered, I guess it's cause her money damaged, no damage. That's Stevie Bonds, that's 50K. Each of them they stole from me. Then they had my trust for 2, but never had to touch me. Maybe a 9. Teddy, fuck your son. When he put that hanger in my pussy, knew that I was done with the world. I'm the damaged girl up in the streets. Mama gone and family hating, cause my mama left me a feast. They some lichens and I don't name them for the ear. Yep, got raped 2008 cause my cousin here got slapped by baby daddy. Slapped his ass to the floor, put that gun in my face and snatched it out his hand like a hoe. So I guess for a kind of hustler, had to get his stripes up. Raped me, left me for dead, but I got my light up. I'm lighting in, round wow, bow wow. Got these hoes on penthouses shaking ass now. You be wanting to get your money, but it's never out. So you gotta stunt with money on your ear out. See, I grab newspapers, check the line. How many stocks I'm gonna sell before it's 9? Been reading, been treason. Never follow no rules cause they bleeding, they leaving. There's blood on the earth, blacks always die. Guess it's cause they starved, sacrifice all they fucking rights. Never read, slaves never read. But they mad at Jay-Z for his lyrics, that's not greed. On the beat, now they wanted me. Ain't signing shit, this don't come free. I want your gold out your fucking basement. If you wanna sign me, bitch, give me your gold out your basement. I don't want no paper that's gonna burn. That's a lesson learned. Only thing I want is real currency and never earn. You never earn, rape and pillage all the villages. And now you're claiming America like you really had this shit.